Good evening, students. Hello, how are you? This is Ranjan. Welcomes you on our online channel, Science Study Center and Young Minds Academy. So, students, this video is for class 7th maths. And students, as you know, the first chapter is integers. So, I am going to discuss about integer in this lectures. Okay. So, from today, you have to start your studies. Okay, and along with your academics I will also cover the topics of Olympiads. Okay, so before starting integers students कुछ definitions हम लोग देखते हैं. So what is natural number students? What is natural number? So all of you know well about natural numbers, hope so. This is denoted by capital N. Okay, so we can say that counting numbers are called natural numbers. Okay, counting numbers are called natural numbers. Clear? Like 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 up to infinity. Okay, so students, if we see which one is smallest positive natural number, smallest positive natural number. So students, we can say this is 1. Okay, largest positive natural number. What is this students? It is nothing but infinite. Okay, you know that counting is limitless. 1 2 3 4 5 6 100 200 700, which is the largest counting number positive. So we can say this is infinite. Okay, and students, what is smallest negative natural number? What is smallest negative natural number students? So this is nothing but minus infinite. And which is largest negative natural number? So this is nothing but -1. You have to memorize these concepts students. Okay, here is number. Okay, so counting numbers are called natural numbers. You can divide them into two natural numbers, that is negative natural numbers and positive natural numbers. So positive counting numbers are called positive natural numbers, and students, negative counting numbers are called negative natural number. So positive counting starts from 1. So students, smallest positive natural number is 1. Okay, largest is infinite, smallest negative natural number minus infinite, and smallest and largest negative natural number is -1. Okay, this is clear to all of you? भूलना नहीं है. Clear? Now students, after natural number we have to study whole numbers. Okay, denoted by, this is denoted by students capital W. Okay, so we can say that counting numbers, in fact positive counting numbers. Okay, in fact positive counting numbers including 0, positive counting number including 0 is called whole numbers. Okay, is called whole numbers. Okay, so we can say are called. Okay, so this is clear. Positive counting numbers including 0, पॉजिटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स में स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग जीरो ऐड कर दे, देन दिस इज whole number. So let us tell which one is a smallest whole number. Which one is smallest whole number? So students, it is nothing but 0. Okay. And which one is the largest whole number? Which one is the largest whole number, students? So this is infinite. This is infinite. Okay. So this is clear to all of you. Natural numbers and whole numbers. Okay. Now students, the chapter starts from the topic integers. What are integers? So students, negative natural numbers, negative counting numbers and positive natural numbers including 0. Negative natural numbers and positive natural numbers including 0 collectively are called integers. They collectively are called integers. Okay. So this is clear. So we can say students, negative natural numbers, okay, positive natural numbers, including 0, collectively are called integers. Okay, collectively are called integers, students, denoted by capital I or Z. They are generally denoted by capital I or Z. Okay. So natural numbers, students, -3 is integer. Yes, this is integer because this is negative natural number. Is 0 integer? Yes, this is integer. Okay. Is 7 integer? Yes, this is integer. Now the question arises, 2/3 is integer, -7/2 is integer, under root 2 is integer, 2 plus under root 2 integer. No, they are not integers. Why? Because 2/3 is not a natural number. It is neither negative natural number nor positive natural number. So this is not integer. Is -7/2 is an integer? No. Why? Because this is not a natural number. Okay. Root 2 is integer? No students. 2 plus under root integer? No. So now this is clear. All counting numbers, जितने नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव काउंटिंग नंबर्स है और जीरो के भी आप इंक्लूड कर लोगे, देन दे आर कॉल्ड इंटीजर्स. ओके. नाउ इंटीजर्स इज क्लियर. दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. ओके. कोई भी फ्रैक्शन नंबर होगा, कोई भी नंबर रूट में होगा, स्टूडेंट्स कोई भी नंबर डेसिमल में होगा, 3.5 -2.1 3.7, they are not integers. Now this is clear to all of you. अब स्टूडेंट्स integers को अगर हम लोग कैटेगराइज करें, then you know well that they are positive integers represented by students I plus or Z plus. Okay, I plus means positive integers. Negative integers and students, they are I minus or Z minus and 0. Okay, 0 is also integer. And students remember, 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. Okay, now you are able to know what are positive integers. 1 2 3 7 8 up to infinite. Okay, negative -1 -2 -3 -5 -4 up to infinity. Okay, minus infinity. Clear है? So this is clear to all of you. Again, smallest positive integer 1. Okay, 0 नहीं लिखना है. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So smallest positive integer 1, largest positive integer infinite. smallest negative integer minus infinite, largest negative integer minus 1. Clear? Now students, representation of integers on number line. Okay, so students, this horizontal, okay, left to right or right to left lines are called horizontal lines. Okay, now suppose here is 0. Okay students, 0 के right side हम लोग पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स लिखते हैं. ओके, अप टू इन्फिनिटी इंटीजर्स. इंटीजर ये जो नंबर लाइन कहाँ एंड होगा? दिस इज एंडलेस अप टू इन्फिनिटी. ओके, स्मॉलेस्ट 0 के पहले लिखोगे -1 -2 -3 -4 अप टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी. ओके, सो दिस इज यू कैन से बेस लाइन. और ये लेफ्ट पहले वाले नंबर्स 0 के पहले वाले सारे नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स होंगे और 0 के बाद वाले सारे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स होंगे. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स वन मोर थिंग, every right one integer is always greater than to its left one. Okay, ये जो 3 है ना, 2 से ग्रेटर है, 1 से ग्रेटर है, -1 -2 -3, यू नो वेरी वेल. ये जो राइट, ये कोई भी आप इंटीजर सेलेक्ट करोगे उसके पहले वाले सब उससे स्मॉलर होंगे और बाद वाले ग्रेटर होंगे. ओके, सपोज यू हैव सेलेक्टेड -2. ओके, सो -2 इज greater than -3 -4, but -2 is less than 1 0 1 2 3. ओके, तो राइट वाले से हमेशा छोटा होगा और लेफ्ट वाले से हमेशा ज्यादा होगा. क्लियर? और नेगेटिव इंटीजर स्टूडेंट्स नंबर में जितना कम होगा ना उतना ही वो ज्यादा होता है. अब अगर हम लोग 7 और 5 की बात करें तो 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 5, बट अगर -7 और -5 की बात करेंगे देन स्टूडेंट्स -5 इज ग्रेटर देन 7. ओके, नेगेटिव इंटीजर जितना नंबर में कम होगा वो उससे ज्यादा वाले से बड़ा होता है. क्लियर? सिमिलरली सपोज 11 और 13, यू नो स्टूडेंट्स 13 इज ग्रेटर देन 11, बट अगर हम लोग -11 -13 लिखे देन -11 इज ग्रेटर देन -13. क्लियर है? समझ में आ गया? Till here every concept is crystally clear. Okay, now students, we have to study comparison of integers. So always remember, every negative integer is less than 0. कभी भी आपको नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को 0 से कंपेयर करना हो तो 0 हमेशा ग्रेटर होगा. Every negative integer is less than 0. -5 is less than 0, -100 is less than 0, -5000 is less than 0, -10,000 is less than 0. Okay, whenever you have to compare 0 with any negative integer, so students 0 is always greater than every negative integer. Okay, every positive integer is greater than 0. अब पॉजिटिव की बात आएगी, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0. 10 इज ग्रेटर देन 0, 99 इज ग्रेटर देन 0, 999 इज ग्रेटर देन 0. ओके, सो दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ एवरी नेगेटिव इंटीजर इज लेस देन एवरी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. ओके, 70 -77, सॉरी 77 -77, सो 77 ग्रेटर होगा. ओके, नेगेटिव इंटीजर हमेशा लेस होगा. ओके, सपोज दिस इज -1 2 3 और 1, कौन ग्रेटर है स्टूडेंट्स? पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. ओके, और वी कैन से दैट एवरी नेगेटिव इंटीजर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन एवरी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. क्लियर? नाउ यू आर एबल टू फाइंड द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन इंटीजर्स. I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay, so students आप लोग इसको नोट करते जाओगे या स्क्रीनशॉट क्लिक कर लोगे, सारी बातें बिल्कुल मेमोराइज होनी चाहिए. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ इंटीजर. स्टूडेंट्स एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू को हम लोग किस में फाइंड करते हैं? ये ऐसे 2 वर्टिकल लाइंस होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मॉड्यूलस. What is this symbol is known as modulus or we can also say that mod of. We can also pronunciate it at mod of. Up students, absolute value of any integer is regardless of its sign. Okay, absolute value of any integer is regardless of its sign. Okay, साइन से कोई मतलब नहीं है. 6 का एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू भी 6 होगा स्टूडेंट्स, और -6 का भी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 6 हो जाएगा. ओके, 10 का एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या होगा? दिस इज 10, और -10 का एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या होगा? ऑल्सो 10. So in lay matter you have to know that modulus of negative integer becomes positive. Modulus of negative integer becomes positive and modulus of positive integer remains positive. Clear? अगर मॉड के अंदर पॉजिटिव नंबर है कोई फर्क नहीं, आप जस्ट उसका फोटो कॉपी बिल्कुल वही कॉपी कर देना है. बट स्टूडेंट्स नेगेटिव इंटीजर है, इफ इट इज नेगेटिव इंटीजर स्टूडेंट्स देन ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. ओके, नेगेटिव इंटीजर का मॉड्यूलस पॉजिटिव होगा. मॉड ऑफ -23 प्लस 23, मॉड ऑफ 170 होगा. मॉड ऑफ -238, दिस इज 238. ओके, so now this is clear to all of you. We had learned what are natural numbers, positive natural numbers, negative natural number. Let us recall students. Okay, then whole numbers, how, what are the symbols to represent them? Natural numbers capital and whole numbers capital W. Then we discuss integers, and after integers representation of integers and comparison between integers, and after that students we had discussed absolute value of an integer. So absolute value of an integer is find by finding the modulus or mod of that integer. I hope till here every concept is clear. In next video we have to study operations on integers. Students, we have to study operations on integers. यहाँ तक आप लोग बिल्कुल क्लियर कर लोगे कॉन्सेप्ट. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग ऑपरेशंस देखेंगे. ओके, सून वी विल स्टार्ट other subjects classes also. Thank you very much students. Stay safe and keep studies. शैतानी कम करना है. Okay, thank you.